In Kerala, the southernmost state of India, among the mountain ranges of the Western Ghats, lies the district of Wayanad. Wayanad, which is famous for its biodiversity, is also home to a large tribal community. The indigenous people of this land had been living here peacefully, in harmony with nature for many centuries. The huge commercial plantations, along with the building of townships, widespread deforestation, and general modernization at the turn of the 21st century, took the tribal community's land and resources away from them. This eventually disrupted their indigenous way of life, leaving them at the mercy of the mainstream population. Today, the community is exploited to work in tea and coffee plantations and to do illegal activities. The reality is that the children of this community suffer as collateral damage. Lack of direction and education make them vulnerable targets for child abuse and exploitation. This unacceptable condition of the tribal children inspired Dr. Apanu Nambiar, a retired professor of education, to start a school in 1997. Dr. Nambiar founded Pazhassi Raja Tribal School with an objective of providing a safe environment to educate these children to adapt to modern-day challenges while retaining their age-old culture. A majority of the men in the tribal community are alcoholic and see these children as their means of income. Children are sent to work from as young as 10 or 11. Given a choice, parents do not send their children to school regularly. So today, Pazhassi Raja School is a residential school, providing food, accommodation, education, and medical services completely free of cost. With the help of many well-wishers and organizations like Voice of a Child, Aid India, and Asha Stanford Foundation, Dr. Nambiar developed this area and built the school, kitchen, and a dorm. The school follows the open school curriculum, which includes language, science, social studies, and math. As a practical idealist, Dr. Nambiar feels that to face the real world, vocational training and self-defense skills are as important as the standard curriculum.
എൻ്റെ പേര് സുജാത. ഞാനൊരു 10-15 വർഷമായി ഇവിടെ ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ 2-3 വർഷമായിട്ട് പ്രിൻസിപ്പളായിട്ടാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 8:30 ക്ലാസ് ആരംഭിക്കാറുണ്ട്. 1:30 വരെ ക്ലാസ്സും പിന്നെ 2:30 മുതൽ ഒരു 4-5 മണി വരെ വൊക്കേഷണൽ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ബുക്ക് ബൈൻഡിങ്, യോഗ, ആശാരിപ്പണി, പിന്നെ തയ്യൽ, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ തുടങ്ങിയ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
Both boys and girls are also taught traditional martial arts for self-defense and psychological self-development. The food for the children is prepared in-house in the in-school kitchens. Healthy, nutritious meals are served 3 times a day, contributing to the overall feeling of individual security and well-being. The school brought many social changes to the tribal community, 2 of which really stand out. The tribal community didn't approve of education for girls in the beginning. In 1997, when the school started, it had 40 boys and just 1 girl. Today, out of 250 students, 129 are girls. The second significant change was regarding the caste system. During the initial days, students of the so-called upper caste did not interact or eat with the rest of the students, reflecting their family customs. Now, all of them work together in harmony and support each other. The school has touched every one of the children who has come to live and study in their own unique way, creating opportunity and self-confidence. The school has witnessed many success stories. Many children completed teachers' training courses and are teaching at Pazhassi Raja School. One of its students is a health inspector in the city. A few female students are working as nurses in the local hospitals. The vocational training is very popular, creating trade carpenters and skilled workers in companies. Unfortunately, Dr. Apanu Nambiar's journey with all the efforts and achievements from the last 16 years may be coming to an end. He is not in a position to run this school anymore, owing to dire financial instability. Even though the Tribal Affairs Ministry of India recognized this need and provided grants for the school from the year 2000, it has not taken into account the increasing number of the students. Also, the grant does not arrive in a timely manner, currently delayed by 2 years, putting an enormous burden on Dr. Nambiar to keep the school running. The school has been taking loans from individuals and well-wishers to buy food and sporadically pay a salary for its staff.
There were 521 children here. Now only 250. So we are in a position not to continue the project if financial support is not given by government and some other well-wishers. No, here the teachers are paid very low amount according to the norms of Government of India, which was fixed 10 years back by them. Now, living index has gone very high. Even they gave the grant, we cannot meet both ends. We have to bring these children to the general level. Otherwise, they may become anti-social elements. That is happening. They are misused by very, very big mafias for the malpractices, as the children and the big people are not aware of their rights and their position. To the prospect supporters, we have to request, please sponsor some children. Otherwise, we cannot continue without external support with a mere grant, nominal grant given by Government of India, Tribal Ministry. That is also always delayed. It is not in time we are getting. These children are very good, skilled children. If we give them full motivation, they are good in sports, they are good in athletics, they are very good in all the farming activities and other activities.
The future of this school is in the hands of each one of us now. We may not be able to stop global child trafficking, child labor, or child abuse, but we can help stop it from happening to any of these 250 children of Wayanad. With as little as $1 a day, you can sponsor a child's education, food, and medical needs for 1 whole year. If you cannot afford it, please donate any amount, large or small, to keep this school going. Because now, more than ever, every penny counts.